and subtracting,
Okay, adding and subtracting. Okay, Anaga. Yes,
multiplying,
you are okay. Gautam, mic problem. It's okay, no problem, Gautam. Avani, so group of variables and numbers. Naman, expression that contains numbers and variables. Very good, Naman. Perfect answer. HY Praneeth, the expression that contains numbers, variables, and identities. Identities, okay. So no problem. So many of the students you are giving the answer. Okay. See here, just visible now. Is it visible? Visible now? Yes. Okay. Basic concept of the algebra, algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression actually, an expression consisting of numbers, constants, variables, and operation symbols. Okay. So basically, we'll define algebraic expression in the form of an expression which consists of variables and constants, variable and constant. Basically, algebraic expression is nothing but which contains variables and constant. Here we have one standard definition of algebraic expression. An expression consisting of numbers, constants, variables, and operation symbols. Okay. An expression consisting of numbers, constants, variables, and operation symbols. Some example of expressions. See, we have 3x. We 3x. So here are you observing 3x expression consisting of numbers and what is that? Constant and variable. No, here 3 variable. Are you observing this? And x is variable. 4x square plus 1. 4x square plus the 4x square plus 1 here. 4x square plus 1. This is here. And here this is constant. X square is variable expressions. Like x cube y plus y square z. So this is also algebraic expression. So next one, 2 pi also algebraic expression. Chatting, it's not clear, voice is not clear. Okay, voice cut ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Everyone same problem, students? Yes. Hello? Yes, Mataji. Voice is not clear. Mataji, voice is not clear. 1 second, students. So, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Now, yes, can you hear me? Students, can you hear me? Is it clear now? Yes. Now it is clear, no? Okay. Yes. Page is visible, students? Yes. Okay, students, we'll continue. Okay. Yes. See here. So we are discussing algebraic expression, right? An expression consisting of numbers, constant, variables, and operation symbols. So you all know operation symbols in the sense addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so here we are having the examples of algebraic expressions. That is 3x is an example for algebraic expression. Then 4x square plus 1 is an algebraic expression. 2 pi r algebraic expression. Minus 3x cube y plus y square z is an algebraic expression. Okay, so these are all the algebraic expressions. Okay, yes. Now, so in the algebraic expression, in the 3x, what you are observing actually, what we call for this 3x actually, term of the algebraic expression. So this is term of algebraic expression. Now you just observe 4x square plus 1. 4x square plus 1. In that 4x square is one term and 1 is another separate term. So you all know the terms concept, no? So are you having the idea of terms? Yes, some students are giving the message that binomial. Yes, binomial. Wait for a minute. I'll go to that binomial topic. Just we are discussing the terms. Okay, so now look at this one. 3x cube y minus 3x cube y plus y square z minus 3x cube y then plus y square z plus y square z. In that minus 3x cube y, this is one term, then y square z is another term. Terms of the expression. Okay, terms of the expression. So next, just I want to show one more photo for you. Okay, see here. Now, is it visible now? Yes, it takes time. Okay. Wait. It's not clear anta barta ide message. Clear agatte iga. Salpa time tagoluttadu. Okay. Now, just look at this example. Look at this picture. Okay. So here I took one pic of terms. We are discussing the terms, no? So are you observing this algebraic expression actually? Algebraic expression is 5x minus 3. Algebraic expression is 5x minus 3. So in that 5x is one term and 3 is another term. Okay, so 5x is one term, 3 is another term. In that 5x, what we are observing actually, this 5 is called as coefficient. This 5 is called as coefficient. Okay, so then x is called as variable. X is variable. And what we call for 3... one second, Anaga. First, I'll complete. So then I'll give the chance to speak. Okay, to you. Next, here constant is 3. Constant is 3. So here this 5x minus 3 is one algebraic expression. We call this 5 as a coefficient of x. So then x is a variable. Then 3 is constant. Yes, Anaga, you can speak now.
Mataji, what is constant?
Constant ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which we cannot vary. ನೀನು ಸ್ಟಿಫ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿತ್ಕೋ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿತ್ಕೋ ಅನಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ನೀನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್
ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. -3 ನೀನ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಈಗ -3 ಬದಲು -9 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ನಂಬರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಬಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿದ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you can substitute, you can substitute that variable. The meaning of that variable. ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಸ್ಟಿಫ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿತ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಫ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಬಟ್ constant is a fixed value that you cannot change. Got the idea of this one? Okay, so this is about the introduction part of the terms. You got the idea of algebraic expression, no? Algebraic expression is nothing but an expression which contains what? Variables and constants. Okay, so in that expression we can observe the terms of the algebraic expression. Now, based on these terms, this algebraic expressions classified actually. Can anyone tell me the classification based on the terms? Can anyone tell me the classification based on the terms?
Can I?
I can. Yes, with Inchara. Now, Inchara. Inchara? Yes, I'm
Mataji,
getting the. Huh.
monomial,
Yes, monomial,
binomial,
binomial,
trinomial,
trinomial. Okay.
and polynomial.
Okay. Then you are telling that polynomial. Huh. Next.
Yes.
Thank you, Inchara. Yes, your answer is right. So you can
Okay,
see
ma'am.
the classification of on the basis of terms monomial, binomial, trinomial. Then you are telling that polynomial. So this is a big topic. So we have to discuss polynomial chapter. While discussing polynomial chapter, so you will get the idea of many concepts. Now, I'm not going to concentrate that polynomials. Just I want to classify the algebraic expressions on the basis of terms. Okay. First thing is monomial. Now, who is ready to give the definition of monomials? Yes, tell me fast. Monomials. Sumeda. Sumeda? Dheeraj, wait for a minute. I'll give chance to you.
The expression which has only one term.
Yeah, the expression which is having only one term is called as monomial. Mono means one, right? No, mono stands for one. Now, Dheeraj, single term. Yes, you are replying that single term. Expression which contains one term. Monomials have only one term. Really, very good students. So you all are actively participating in the class and you all know the topic related to algebraic expression. Yes, right answer for the monomial. Now, Dheeraj, binomial.
The
Dheeraj,
expression having
binomial.
two terms.
Yes, very good, Dheeraj. The expression which is having two terms called as binomial. Very good, very good. Yes. Next, see, all are messaging that it's having two terms, two terms, two terms. Correct. Now, trinomial. Who is going to give the answer? Trinomial. Hemant Hegde. Hemant Hegde.
Expressions which is having three terms.
Three terms. Tri means three. Okay. Bi means two. Expression which is having two terms is called binomial. In the same way, expression which contains three terms is called as trinomial. Very good, students. I'm not going to ask polynomial. So you all are telling that define polynomials in the sense you are giving the answer that the expression which contains more than three terms called as polynomials, because it is not having the proper name like monomial, binomial, trinomial, no? So remaining you are giving the name that polynomial. So for this polynomial, in the next class, I want to give the clarification for you. Okay. So more than three term in the sense you are giving the answer that polynomial, right? No? So now for this class, we'll take only monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay. So now monomial, binomial, trinomial concept clear, no? Okay. Next, I want to show one more photo. Okay. Yes. Wait for a minute. I think now the page is visible for everyone, right? Yes. Yes. Okay. So I'm getting the reply. Yes, 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 Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Okay. Now just look at this page actually. So what is there in this page? So we are having some terms and the definition of that terms which are related to algebra part. So just I'll zoom it, okay? The first term is, let us have the glance on this page, okay? First term is variables. Variables. Now, we have to know the definition of variables now. So in the algebraic expression, so always we are telling that variables, variables, variables. Then what is that variable, students? Variables. Variables in the sense we all know it is not a fixed value. It is not a fixed value. It is varying. Okay, whatever you can substitute on that variable, that is your wish. Then, what is the definition of variables? See this letters that represent unknown numbers. Okay, variables we can define in the sense of letters that represent unknown numbers. Okay, unknown numbers. Next, second is terms. In the algebraic expression part, so we'll hear terms of the algebraic expression. Just now, we did the classification of algebraic expressions on the basis of terms, right? Then what is the terms? Elements separated by the plus or minus sign. Very important topic. I want to give the clarification for this topic, that is terms. See, just I'll repeat this definition. Elements. So, observing this one, I'm moving the pen here. Elements separated by the plus or minus sign. See, they took only plus sign and minus sign. What about the division and multiplication, students? Yes, just listen here. I'll take one example. 2xy plus 3yz. Got the idea of this one? I took this example. 2xy plus 3yz. Now, can you guess the terms in this? This 2xy is one term and 3yz is another term of the expression. Now, elements by the plus or minus sign. Here we have plus sign. These two elements separated by this plus sign. So this is one term, this is another term. So now you just see this only 2xy. Now you can ask the question, if multiplication and division also if we took in this definition only, then what happens actually? So here we have multiplication in between 2xy, no? So then this 2 also we have to take separate term, x also separate term, y also separate term, but it is wrong actually. So multiplication and division alli bond agirbahudu adu. Okay, so but the elements which are separated by only plus and minus sign are called as the terms of the algebraic expression. Okay, I'll give one more example for this terms only. Now you have to give the answer question. Okay, so 1 second, I'll choose the pen option. 2xy plus 3yz divided by 2t. Whatever you can choose, no, for algebraic expression. Now, so you just see the algebraic expression. Can you tell me the terms of this algebraic expression? I'm getting the reply from your side. Yes, 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 two terms, yes. Very fastly you are replying for this question. Okay, students. Now, I don't know your name and all, no. I want to call one name. Sridhar. Sridhar? Sridhar. Just unmute yourself and speak now. First. Sridhar, can you tell me the one term of this algebraic expression? Hello, Sridhar.
2xy.
One second. Which is the first term, Sridhar? Which is the first term? Sridhar?
2xy.
Okay, 2xy is one term. Can you tell me the second term? Yes, Sridhar?
3yz.
Okay, you are telling that
3yz.
3yz. Only 3yz, Sridhar.
No, Mataji. 3yz by 2t.
Very good. 3yz divided by 2t is a complete one term. Okay. So here we have division sign. Don't worry. So if some students, they will be confused about this thing. 3yz one term, 2t one term anta ankobirtira. It's wrong actually. So here we have the division of the terms. Elements separated by the or minus sign only. See here plus sign we have. Then this is one element. This is another complete element. 3yz divided by 2t. This is completely called as one term of the algebraic expression. Now got the idea of this terms, no? How to take the terms of the algebraic expression. So do you have any confusion regarding this, students? Okay. So now you have got the clear picture of the terms of the algebraic expressions, right? Okay. Now we'll move on to our next term, that is coefficient. So I think you all know the term coefficient in 8th standard. So you have heard the term coefficient. So what is that coefficient? The number for a variable in a multiplication term. Once again, I want to repeat this definition. The number before a variable. So, okay, in a multiplication term, for example, 2x. The number before a variable ginta munche barodu. Okay, in a multiplication, iveradru madhya multiplication sign idella. So 2 is called as the coefficient. Okay, 2 is called as the coefficient. Coefficient is nothing but the number before a variable in a multiplication term. E multiplication signal baro term alli. So yenagatte antandre 2 is called as the coefficient. Okay. So next. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. minus 4xyz. Okay, now we have minus 4xyz. It's a one complete term, right? So it's one term. Minus 4xyz is one term. Okay, so this is one algebraic expression. Now coefficient. So what is the coefficient of z? Can anyone tell me? Yes, who is ready to give the answer for this question? What is the coefficient of z in this expression?
Manji, may I?
Yes, Anaga.
Minus
Minus
4xy. Minus 4xy.
Minus you are telling that minus 4xy is a coefficient, no?
Yes.
Yes, minus 4xy is a coefficient, no? Huh.
Yes.
What about other students? Other students are giving the reply that minus 4 is a coefficient. Huh. Yes. Remaining students reply. I'm getting from everybody minus 4. Okay. Why they are giving the answer minus 4? I know. Because in the earlier, so actually I took the example of 2x, right? 2x. Now only x is the variable. So I want to clarify this topic, students. Only x is the variable. That time the number before the variable is considered as coefficient. Actually, ಇದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. But now we have minus 4xyz. Three variables are there. That time coefficient. How to define coefficient? Now just I'll change this definition now. Coefficient. Now again I want to take the same example on the top of this page. Minus 4xyz. Coefficient in the sense, for example, we have to write the coefficient of z. Then multiplication side ಅಲ್ಲಿ z ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೂ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ z ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೈನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಈ z ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ z ನಾವು? z ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? minus 4xy. So our answer for this question is minus 4xy. Now I want to ask one more question for you. Wait, okay, I'll write one algebraic expression. Minus, one second, I'll choose the pen. Minus 5x square y z. Okay, now this question for you, be ready to give the answer. Now what is the coefficient of y in this?
May I?
One second, Anaga. Remaining, we have to give chance. Yeah. I'm getting. Akshay Hegde. Yes, Akshay Hegde. What is the question, Akshay Hegde?
Mataji, 5x square minus 5x square.
Huh?
Mataji, 5x square.
Only 5x square, Akshay. The answer is wrong, Akshay. I asked the question that, so you have the coefficient of y expression. Coefficient of y in this expression, Akshay. Yes. The Aditi once. Hello. Okay. Sumuk answer right. Answer right. Nikhil be answer little bit correct. Another is asking one question. Can it be efficient if it's a variable? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Another answer ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ 2x ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ 2x ಅನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, x2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. For that purpose, they took the simple definition like this. But now we are in 8th standard, no? We have to move further, right? So that's why I took this example to understand the topic of coefficient. Okay? Coefficient anta andre, for example, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. 5x square plus 4y ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. plus 4y. ಈಗ ಈ ತರದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, Tell me fatafat, what is the coefficient of y andre? What is your answer? Yes, fast. Yes, only 4. Yeah, very good.
4.
Yes, every answer is right. Yes, now you have got the idea. Only 4 we have to take. But some students, they will think that y na ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 5x² plus 4 ನು ತಗೋಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 5x² plus 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬಂದೋಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನ ಬರೆಯೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ರೈಟ್? So just I'll take this minus 5x² yz we have. Minus 5x² yz we have. So here coefficient of y in the sense we have to take minus 5x² z. Answer is minus 5x². Z is the answer for this question. Got the idea of this one? No? Now, for the same question, I'll change my question. Now, everybody be ready. What is the coefficient of Z? Can you tell me? What is the coefficient of Z in this?
Minus 5x
Yes.
x² y.
Who's that? Anaga?
Yes.
Minus 5x² y. Everybody's answer is same. Minus s wave s. Everybody is giving the answer that minus 5x² y. Yes, of course. Answer is right. Z, just leave that z. Remaining complete we have to take for the coefficient part. Okay. Now, the question is, what is the coefficient? 1 second. I'll erase this. Now, my question is, listen carefully. What is the coefficient of x? Only x, not x
One.
square.
1.
Wrong answer. I'm
minus
asking
5y
in the-
minus
One
5y
second. No, wrong it is.
Minus Mataji, 5. may I?
Only x.
Mataji,
Huh? Yes.
Minus 10yz. Minus 10yz.
minus 5xyz.
Very
Minus
good, Inchara.
5xyz.
Yes, Inchara's answer is right. See here, I took only x, but x² andre alli x into x is there, no? X into x is there. So ನಾನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಓನ್ಲಿ x ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿತು? x into x ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1x ಉಳಿತು, then y remaining, z remaining. So minus 5xyz is the coefficient of x. Okay na? ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ coefficient of x² ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? minus 5yz ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. But I asked the question, x just coefficient of x ತಗೊಂಡೆ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ x² ಇದೆ. So we have to take the coefficient minus 5xyz. Students, got the idea of this coefficient? It's a very important topic for the polynomials to write the coefficient of the variable. Got the idea of this coefficients? No? Reply me fast. Did you got the idea of the coefficient part? Yes. Coefficients is clear, no? So then, just once
Mataji.
recall what we
Mataji.
learned in the topic. Actually, yes, Anaga, do you want to speak anything?
Mataji, me Dvirup Mataji.
No, Mataji, I didn't.
Dvirup.
Mataji,
Dvirup.
can any variable be the coefficient of minus 5?
Yes, 1 second. Repeat your question.
Mataji, if minus 5 in the coefficient ಇರ್ತದ ಹೇಳಿ.
Minus 5
Minus
coefficient ಹೌದು. minus 5 coefficient ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 5
XYZ.
ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು XYZ ಆಗ್ತದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Sometimes they will ask the question in the different way. Just coefficients ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡ್ಕೋ, ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವ್?
-5.
ಹಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನೀನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನ -5 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಝಡ್ ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ವೈ ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್? ಎಸ್. ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ algebraic expression. Algebraic expression which contain variables and constants. Okay, variables and constants. Okay, so then variables andre letters that represent unknown numbers. Then terms andre elements which are separated by the plus or minus sign only. Then coefficient andre gottaitalva nimge? For the simple coefficient we can take this definition. So we have the next term, expression. Can I complete this expression only? Okay, what is the time now students? 9:53. So what is your next period? Actually I think you are having English or some period, no? Okay, I want to continue remaining 7 period. Just now 9:53, no? At exactly 10 o'clock I'll stop this class. Okay, so because you have to attend another class, no? Yes. Okay, now so we'll discuss this expression also. I'll choose the eraser part for this. Now move expression to expression. Expression chapter is algebraic expression. What is that expression? What is the meaning of that expression? One or more algebraic term without equal sign. Very important topic. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2x + 3, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2x, just 2x without having any equal sign. One or more term, they are telling that one or more term. Yes, only one term is there. This is also one expression. One term idru kuda ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Expression ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Expression is nothing but one or more algebraic term without equal sign. Then you can ask the question, Mataji, if equal sign is there, then what happens actually? If equal sign is there, Nikhil B, you are telling that English. Nikhil B.
Equation Mataji.
Nikhil, can I get equation nado? So one more is sending, one nimsha. English. Roshan is also telling that English. What is that English, Roshan? 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 Spelling mistakes. Really, Anaga? Okay, you are.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಚ್ಚಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದದು.
Oh, next period English. Okay, for that question you gave the reply. Okay. So Anaga is telling that you don't know the equation spelling. You typed wrongly equation as English. I thought that what is this English comes in mathematics. I don't know. Actually, it's okay. Okay, okay. Last 4 minutes is there. Okay, let us finish this topic now. Expression. Expression, you got the idea of the expression, no? Now, expression ನಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯೋಣ. Expression ಗೆ equal sign ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. Now, expression
Equation.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ sign bantu, equal andre equation. Got the idea of this one, no? A statement that two amounts are equal. Two amounts are equal in the sense left hand side and right hand side we have, right? No, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so that must be balanced condition. Okay, so that is called as equation. Equation andre equal sign. Okay, so next last is formula. No need to discuss that formula. You all know formula is expressed in math symbols. Okay, so one rule formula anta andre maths symbols anna use madkondu one rule a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So we have many formulas, right? No, so under certain rule formula that we'll discuss in the next class. We need only up to equation. Okay, so got the idea of algebraic expression topic, no students? Now, so do you have, yes, do you have any doubts regarding this? Do you have any doubts regarding this? Just I want to show one last photo to recall whatever we discussed from the beginning. So just wait for 1 minute, then we'll end up the class for today. Okay, so what we discussed from the beginning, you just see this picture. I think now picture is visible on your screen, no? Yes? Picture is visible on screen, no students? Okay, is it visible? Yes. Okay, okay. Yeah, what I got one message from some students that I have got confusion in one topic. Which student? Ha, Gautam. Okay, Gautam. Okay. In the direct class also you can ask your doubt. Okay, you are having confusion about coefficients. Don't worry. I'll clarify your doubt. Now it's a revision part of the whole class. Whatever we learned from the beginning of this class, see here in the top. Just I want to take the complete picture. See top we have equation. Okay, in the beginning we have equation. Equation is nothing but the algebraic expression which is having the equal sign. In that equation we'll got expression one side only. LHS ಅಥವಾ RHS ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು one side ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನ expression ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು LHS. Okay, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ LHS ಅಥವಾ RHS ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ನಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ equation. 3x plus 5 is equal to 20 is one equation actually. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು just 3x plus 5 ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is expression. Okay, so next ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 3x ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is term. Okay, in the term observe coefficient, variable, then here we can observe the constant. Once I want to clear this picture. So now the picture is clear now. Got the idea of this one? This is complete. Okay, in that equation I'll take for the expression. In that expression this 3x is a term and 5 is also term. And in the term actually 3 is a coefficient, x is a variable. Okay, now 5 is constant. Constant is nothing but it's a fixed value. You can ask one question, Mataji, 3 is also fixed value, no? Huh? So, nimge yargu doubt barlilva? Okay, Divya Mataji started class. Okay, I want to end this class now. See, 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. 3 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, So that's why only this phi is constant in this. Okay, students? Okay. So we'll meet you in the next class. Whatever doubts you have, so we'll clarify that doubts in the next. Okay. Now you have English period, no? So I think you are having English period. Okay. So you just join with the English period in Teachment tab. Okay, students. See you in the. Okay, bye.